With traditional design, manufacturing considerations and part durability are often an afterthought. This common oversight leads to high-cost, late-stage design changes that can cause missed deadlines and late delivery. Generative design, on the other hand, puts those constraints at the forefront. Users define material type, manufacturing method, and performance criteria, which are all used concurrently in synthesizing a wide array of solutions with cloud solving. With the results returned, the designer can explore with filters, plots, visualizations, and can even compare outputs side by side. From there, the determination is made with confidence thanks to the plethora of performance data of each solution. The exported solution is a sculptable, editable, watertight solid body with design history. This opens up downstream fine-tuning, additional simulation checks, and toolpath creation. Come see how you can take your designs to a whole new level with generative design. All this and more in Fusion 360.